talk about them. Actually, we've never talked about them here on the A to Z RC channel. But today, that was really loud, that's gonna change. So this is a mini Gator Tours electric boat by Aquacraft. I got this from my dad, God, it has to be like 10 years ago minimum. Probably closer to 12 years ago. We drove it, we had fun with it, and then we parked it and never touched it ever again. So we're gonna change that here today in this video. So this is the box that we've kept it in. Here is the Aquacraft. Here's the Aquacraft radio. Here's the Aquacraft radio, which the big issue right off the bat, if I can get it open, is corroded, terrible batteries. They've actually split open, which I haven't quite seen before. So that'll be fun to fix. Then we have the boat itself, which needs a thorough cleaning because this is sticky and I don't know what it is. So that's disgusting. I'm sure it's not what I hope it's not, but you know, there's always a chance. So we gotta clean this up. The motor looks good, spins freely, doesn't look like it has any corrosion on it, because it was never submerged, luckily. And then, I also have this, which is a Sea Arrow, Tyco RC Sea Arrow. No idea what this is about. We're not gonna touch on that in this video, but if that's something you'd like to see, leave a comment. Here's the charger, which can only charge off of a car outlet, which is kind of strange, but we can try it. Here's the charging setup. Although, I'm curious because this has both wiring for this type of battery and a Traxxas battery. So we're gonna try this one, but maybe later we can get a different one to work, but I think for now this is probably the smartest. I have no idea what kind of life this has left, if any at all, so we'll see. So, hopping into the 75th anniversary Ford F-150, start this bad boy up. It's probably gonna try to play music. The annoying thing is that this is meant for a car charger, right? And so it plugs into this 12-volt outlet. Oh, we got light. But this truck has a wall outlet. So I could have charged it with a normal charger if I just had it, but I don't. So, never operate car charger with engine running. Okay. Solid light charging, blinking light charge completed. So now we have to place this outside of the vehicle, it says. Oh joy. All right. Well, come with me as we try to make sure my F-150 doesn't light on fire. There we go. Hope that works. Okay, so while that's charging, or attempting to charge, I'll keep my eye on it in case my truck goes up in flames. Step 2, or thing number 2, is to get these corroded batteries out and hope to God that this transmitter's salvageable. So I got the batteries out, but as you can see, still pretty crusty. So we're gonna try some nail polish remover, some acetone, and see if we can clean up those connections a little bit. Well, it's getting power. It's a good sign. So the battery wasn't done charging when I pulled it off, but I just want to see if it works at all. I just want to see if it has any form of life, liberty, or the pursuit of happiness. I don't know if there's an on-off switch. Okay, this still is not happy. Let's put this back on the charger, wait a little bit more time, and see if there's anything I can figure out about this thing. So I read online that I found the user manual, by the way, online. There's no power button on the boat itself. However, I don't know if we did this or what, but there is an adapter for a Traxxas style battery. And this is a non-LiPo. This is a Traxxas power cell, nickel, whatever. So let's just see if this works. Obviously, this won't fit on the boat. Well, it stopped beeping, but still not getting any type of power. It's not beeping anymore when I turn it on. Off. On. All right. I don't know what the heck fixed it. Oh, shoot. And whatever fixed... Oh, batteries fell out. One moment, please. Okay, we might be cooking with some gas here. Let's see if we can get the little battery to work, and then maybe we can actually take this thing for a rip, huh? So, in doing some digging, I found, this has to be the battery that we used. It's a Venom 1600 battery that will definitely fit on this and takes the Traxxas connector. So, I doubt there's going to be any juice in it, but you never know. Doesn't hurt to try. Yeah, it's beeping again. Oh, it stopped beeping. Okay. So, the battery might be fully dead, so let's charge this thing up. Let's see if we can get some of that corrosion out, too. There's a little bit of corrosion on this. I mean, anything with these watercrafts are going to have some type of corrosion because they are wet all the time when you're playing with them or using them. Oh, that actually works pretty well. Nail polish remover. I put some juice in it just to see if it would work. And it does! Although, I just noticed this rear thing popped out. There we go. That is definitely supposed to be held in by something better, but alright. Let's try it out on a small scale. Alright, so let's see if we can... Somehow the battery's supposed to go in here. I don't know if that's going to be possible. So it's going to take some tweaking, but... Alright, it's in water for the first time in a decade. There's no reverse. Only forward. And it's already dying. That's why I want to do this in this little pool. That is maximum thrust. So I think a battery upgrade is definitely in the future, but look, it's in the water. And it's dying. And this is, yep, it's dead. Nope. Oh, it's trying to come back to life, but it, there it is. Well, get a little bit of movement there. So the battery definitely needs to be swapped out. I can't imagine it's in any good health. But look, it's in the water. And it's floating. It didn't develop any holes over the last 10 years. All right, so I just got back from the hobby store and I bought this, a Traxxas Power Cell 1200 milliamp nickel battery. It's 20 bucks. We're gonna see if it works here on the boat, because this would solve a lot of our issues. So I did charge it up. That seems to work. So let's button it up and try it out in a real body of water. We're gonna test out the boat. I have to carry everything, it seems.
It's all your stuff.
I know. It is all my stuff. That's okay, but it's pretty. It's a very warm summer night. Bella says she knows how to get down there. I don't know if I trust her. She's just pointing. She doesn't know what she's doing. Ooh, something just jumped. If I get poison ivy, I swear. Oh yeah, that's probably more probable.
Here. Okay. And then we go. We can walk it over here, but we used to stand on those.
Oh, okay.
However you want to do that. This is your plan of action now.
Okay.
Honestly, maybe there.
Yeah. You want to film me doing it?
I do, yeah. I'm not a good filmer if I don't know where it's pointing.
Just touch this.
I did.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, horsepower there. I'm honestly most worried about snakes.
That's valid and fair. I was dared to crawl in there once.
Really?
Yeah, got pretty far. I got scary.
It doesn't have a reverse.
Oh, it doesn't. Give it a kick. Don't go too fast, it'll take on water. Yeah.
I don't know how long the battery will last.
I'm not going out there to get it.
No, I know.
I'm not taking a dip.
You remember when we rode on a real one, right?
Yeah.
Cut to that footage. I also don't know how far the remote goes. I don't know much about this.
Yeah. Should have tested it in a smaller body of water.
I did test it in Poppy's baby pool,
Oh, okay.
but, you know. I think my dad was right. I think I do need a rescue boat.
To go get it? If it...
Yeah, in
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
that's all going in.
come on here. Do you need a hand?
Oh no, I'm not coming out yet.
Oh, I thought you
I
were.
wanted to try this.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I hope this GoPro isn't too heavy.
Is that your old one?
Yeah, well, this is the old one.
Okay, yeah.
This is like 2 generations ago.
Prepared to lose it.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa.
Want to try it?
No.
No?
I don't want to drown it. Whoa.
I don't have reverse.
Yeah, well, you can use the antenna to give it a little poke. There you go.
I'd consider that successful. Ow. Oh.
Did you get caught in the fan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I accidentally
I
hit the thing. Ah.
I consider that successful.
That really hurt.
I'm sure. I'm
not
sorry.
bleeding now, so.
That's good. Happy birthday.
Thanks.